Welcome to the top best. The best Dowelling Jig Kit is probably one of the most useful tools for any woodworker or DIY enthusiast. This kit allows you to create strong and accurate joints with ease, perfect for everything from furniture making to simple home repairs. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of doweling jigs, exploring what makes a great kit and how to choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Milescraft 1333 Dowel Jig Kit. This is the Milescraft 1333 Dowel Jig Kit. It helps you quickly and accurately create dowel joints. With this, you can easily connect boards. The kit features durable hardened steel bushings. These create straight and precise holes for your dowels. This ensures a strong and accurate joint. It's versatile and can be used on boards from 1/2 inch to 1 to 1/2 inches thick. This makes it suitable for a wide range of projects. You'll find it easy to adapt to your needs. Steel depth stops are included for each bit. These ensure proper drilling depth and reduce errors. This feature helps you achieve consistent results. The kit includes steel dowel centers. These accurately mark the center of your drilling location. This helps you align dowel holes manually. The kit comes with everything you need. It includes 3 metal bushing sizes, drill bits, and wood glue. It's a complete solution for your doweling needs. What we like. This kit ensures precise dowel joints every time. It's versatile enough for boards of various thicknesses, making it ideal for different projects. If you're working on furniture or any project requiring strong, accurate joints, this is a great choice. What people say. Works great, easy to use, perfect for joinery. This jig easily and quickly aligns dowel holes for a perfect fit that looks great. But with this tool, I can align my pieces, place and glue the dowels, and the end result is great. Very easy to use. Number 4. DIY Woodworking Drill Locator Kit. This kit is made of 6061 aluminum alloy and high-quality tool steel. It has undergone anodized treatment, ensuring good wear resistance, strength, and a long service life. It's built to last. The fixing bolts provide good threads and bushes of different sizes. This allows for simple and convenient drilling, making the positioning more accurate. You won't have to worry about offset or clearance. Equipped with 6, 8, 10 mm drill sleeves and drills, this kit can accurately drill the corresponding size holes. The strict and delicate craftsmanship ensures high precision and a long service life for the tool. The adjustable drill can easily meet your drilling requirements. The pressing plate tightly fixes the wood board. It's an ideal tool for furniture factories and woodworking enthusiasts. The drill bit thickness ranges from 10 to 180 mm, the side hole diameter is 15 mm, while the straight hole diameters are 6, 8, 10 mm. The sliding stroke is 5 to 90 mm, and the side hole stroke is 23 to 43 mm. It's versatile for various projects. What we like. This jig is made from high-quality aluminum alloy, ensuring durability and longevity. The adjustable design allows for easy customization to meet your specific needs. If you're a DIY enthusiast or work in a furniture factory, this tool will help you achieve precise and accurate results. What people say. During trial run the jig was excellent, precise, accurate, easily adjusted and well made. Project's results are accurate and very professional looking. This is primarily used for cam knockdown systems, but it can also be used for dowel joining edge-edge, for laminating boards together to obtain wider material, or edge face, to add hidden support for cabinet shelving. Very versatile. Repeat dowel spacing obtained using the adjustable double bar attachment and dowel pin locator. There are 3 sizes of drill bits and hardened metal bushings to match drill sizes. Metal stop collars allow precise and repeatable depth stop. Well worth the money and great for working in melamine, plywood, MDF, solids. Solid clamping for no hands holding. Just finger tight, no need to over tighten. The cam drill mechanism has grooved matched sets in both body and attachment for precise, no skid operation. You will not be disappointed in the manufacture, operation, or end result using this system. Number 3. Aluminium Dowel Jig Kit 3-in-1 Woodworking Drill. This doweling jig is forged from premium tool steel, ensuring great strength and long-lasting durability. It's built for high hardness, guaranteeing quality and a long service life. You can rely on it for your woodworking projects. The kit includes 6, 8, 10 mm drill bushings and a drill, allowing you to accurately drill holes of the corresponding sizes. This ensures precision in your work. It makes the whole process much easier. With strict and fine workmanship, this jig ensures high accuracy. Adjustable bolts and different size bushings make drilling simple and convenient. This means more accurate positioning, with no offsets or gaps. This 3-in-1 self-centering doweling jig comes equipped with a dedicated clamp board. You don't need locking pliers to clamp the wood when drilling holes. This feature saves time and effort. This self-centering doweling jig is convenient and practical for all your woodworking needs. It's a great tool for both furniture factories and woodworking enthusiasts. It will greatly improve your efficiency. What we like. The drill bushings are made of premium tool steel, ensuring long-lasting performance. The accurate positioning feature guarantees precise hole alignment. If you are looking for a convenient and practical tool for woodworking, this is a great option. What people say. This jig might take a little longer to set up, but there's literally no doweling project this can't handle. Parts are reasonable quality and fit together well. Everything you need is in the box except actual wood dowels. Number 2. Milescraft 1309 Dowel Jig Kit, Complete Doweling Kit. This kit from Milescraft allows for quick and accurately doweled corner, edge, or surface joints. It makes joining wood pieces together simple and precise. Metal bushings are included to ensure accurate alignment. This feature guarantees perfectly positioned dowels every time you use it. Steel dowel tenon centers are included for durable and accurate location marking. They help you precisely mark the dowel holes on the second board. Fluted hardwood dowel pins with chamfered ends are included. These add strength and endurance to your joined surfaces, ensuring a lasting bond. The kit comes with brad point drill bits in 3 different sizes. It has everything you need to get started on your next woodworking project. What we like. This kit allows for quick and accurate dowel joints. The metal bushings ensure precise alignment, leading to perfectly positioned dowels. If you need a complete solution with dowel pins and bits, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The jig is well made and the bushings are precise. The adjustable fence is a great feature. It made the process of aligning and drilling holes much easier and more accurate. Number 1. JessEm Dowelling Jig Master Kit, Precision Woodworking Tool. Introducing the JessEm Dowelling Jig Master Kit. This tool is designed for precision woodworking joinery. It ensures accurate hole alignment for your projects. The kit includes 1-4, 3-8, and 1-2 doweling kits. It's built to last and easy to use, making your woodworking tasks simpler. Crafted from precision CNC machined aluminum, it offers unmatched durability. The anodized finish enhances longevity and protects it from wear and tear. Create 1-4, 3-8, and 1-2 dowel holes on your workpiece with ease. The built-in alignment slot ensures perfect alignment, even with widely spaced dowel holes. Preset dowel locations in 1/8 increments offer versatile dowel hole configurations. Laser engraving ensures rapid and accurate setups for any project. This kit is made in Canada. It features stainless steel indexing pins for superior quality. What we like. This kit is crafted from precision CNC machined aluminum for unmatched durability. It allows you to create various dowel hole sizes and configurations. If you like a high-quality, easy-to-use tool, this is the one for you. What people say. There is one offset adjustment, clamp down, that goes at standard intervals, I think of 1/8 inch, designed to align the center line of standard stock. But what was cool beyond belief was getting 5 dowel holes drilled in rails and stiles to join for shutters, perfectly positions, easy as pie. Use good clamps though, because it has to be held tight to workpiece or it will slip. Aligns dowels perfectly. Alignment of dowels is one of the biggest drawbacks to this joinery method. This tool removes this obstacle. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.